Welcome to new episode of Tech HQ Latest Episodes. Today we are looking latest Intel Core Ultra X9 388H, new flagship SoC CPU of Intel. New No 2025 AMD release AI 300 SoC CPU family. Now, 2026, Intel going to launch new CPU family using X branding with strong integrated GPU. The Intel Core Ultra X9 388H is the flagship mobile processor from Intel's Panther Lake architecture, expected for release in early 2026 in CES January. It represents the debut of Intel's advanced 18A process node and introduces the new Core Ultra X branding, next gen of iGPU, extreme integrated graphics performance. Key specifications: architecture, Panther Lake, compute tile on Intel 18A process, 1.8 nanometers. Total core count is 16 cores, including 4 performance cores, Cougar Cove, 8 efficiency cores, Darkmont, and 4 low-power efficiency cores, Darkmont. Thread count is 16 threads. Hyperthreading is not available on this generation. Consider clock speeds. Max turbo frequency is up to 5.1 GHz, and base frequency is 2.2 GHz for performance core and 1.7 GHz for efficiency core. Cache memory play major role of CPU speed. L3 cache, 18 MB shared. L2 cache, dedicated clusters, approximately 3 MB per module. Power consumption 45 W base goes up to 115 W max turbo. Integrated GPU Intel Zen 3 Celestial architecture. New integrated GPU play significant role in new CPU branding. Performance similar with nvidia RTX 3050 laptop GPU and 50% faster than the previous generation ARC 140V. Performance approximately 50 TOPS, Intel 8, designed for advanced local AI workloads. Memory and connectivity. Memory support on-package LPDDR5X 9600 MTS up to 64 GB. Connectivity, integrated Wi-Fi 7, Thunderbolt 4, PCIe Gen 5 support for discrete GPUs and SSDs. Performance benchmarks, Geekbench 6, single-core score approximately 3057. Multi-core score, approximately 17,687. Real-world illustration indicates it outperforms the Core Ultra 9 285H by 20% and trades blows with Intel aiming made competition with AMD's flagship Ryzen AI Max 395 SoC. AMD new approach to AI Max CPU lineup aligned with Apple M-chip lineup. The idea is not new. The idea is all parts bringing together and make one big chip. It can reduce latency, and this is a beginning of an improved versions of old computer architecture. In mobile scenario, it called SoC. Apple M CPU lineup make a turning point of desktop CPU and mobile CPU market, and after that trend begins, AMD and Intel follow that path with their identity. Let's look at manufacturing process. The Intel Core Ultra X9 388H Panther Lake chiplet design by Intel, but manufactured by manufactured on different process nodes, some made by Intel fabs, Intel, and some made by TSMC. This is the first client processor to feature Intel's advanced 18A node, 1.8 nanometers. This is manufacturing information available publicly about the X9 388H package. Number 1. Compute tile, CPU cores, Manufacturer, Intel. Process node, Intel 18A, Angstrom era. Details: this tile houses the 4 Cougar Cove performance cores and 8 Darkmont efficiency cores. Significance: this marks a major milestone as Intel returns to manufacturing its own flagship CPU logic after outsourcing the compute tile of the previous generation, Lunar Lake, Arrow Lake, to TSMC. The 18A node introduces ribbon FET, gate all-around transistors, and power via backside power delivery for improved efficiency. Number 2. Graphics tile, GPU. Manufacturer, TSMC. Process node, N3E, 3 nanometers class. Details: the X9 388H uses the high-performance 12-core Zen 3 graphics configuration. Note on variants: while the lower-end Panther Lake chips with only 4 cores GPU use a graphics tile made on the Intel 3 node, the powerful 12-core GPU found in the X9 388H is too large or complex for that specific implementation and is manufactured by TSMC to ensure yield and performance targets. Number 3. Platform controller tile, SoC/IO. Manufacturer, TSMC. Process node, N6, 6 nanometers class. Details: this tile handles I/O connectivity including PCIe Gen 5, Thunderbolt 4, USB, and Wi-Fi 7 controllers. Number 4. Packaging technology, Intel Foveros 2.5D. Details: all the active tiles, compute, graphics, platform, are stacked on top of a passive base die, interposer. Connectivity: the tiles communicate via Intel's high-speed scalable fabric, which allows them to function as a single cohesive processor despite being made in different factories.
Thanks for watching our latest episode. Please subscribe for latest developments.